Considering this angle here, we have the hypotenuse, which remember is always the longest side. We want to find this side, which is the adjacent. This side, of course, is then the opposite. Writing down our mnemonic, so, car, toa, we have the adjacent to find. We know the hypotenuse, A and H, means we use car. So we now have that the cosine of the angle, which in this case is 30 degrees, is equal to the adjacent, which is x, divided by the hypotenuse, which is 14. Multiplying both sides by 14 gives x is equal to 14 times the cosine of 30 degrees, which is 12.124 and so on, which is 12.1 centimeters, correct to 3 significant figures. Using the triangle method again, this time for the cosine, car, cosine of the angle, adjacent, hypotenuse. Note the order of the letters from left to right is the same as in the mnemonic. Once again we decide what it is we're trying to find, in this case the adjacent, cover it up, leaving us with the calculation hypotenuse times the cosine of the angle. The hypotenuse is 14 and the angle is 30, so note once again we get the same calculation by this method, so we should produce the same answer.